Sudanese and South Sudanese cuisine is heavily meat-based. During a conversation with a friend of mine who is vegan, she mentioned that what she misses the most since going vegan is Sudanese food. This gave me an idea to make vegan versions of these dishes to show her that she can still eat Sudanese food without compromising her beliefs. Today's recipe is one of those dishes. I'm showing you how I make a quick and easy meatless version of Sudanese Kabab. Greetings everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. With all my ingredients prepped, I start by frying the potatoes and carrots as you can see me doing here. Once cooked, I place them on paper towels to drain excess oil. Once this step is done, I heat some oil and add the onions. Make sure you check the description box for the full list of ingredients plus quantities used. I saute the onions until translucent, then add garlic and ginger paste and tomatoes and keep stirring for a minute or two. I now add a little water and tomato paste, stir to combine and cook for 3 minutes. At this point, I lightly smash this to break down the tomatoes and add the herbs and spices. All the spices used are as listed on screen, and for the quantities, please refer to the description box. I now add black pepper to taste, followed by the peas. I add a little water, seasoning cubes and salt. For reference purposes, this is a cup of water and chicken seasoning cubes. However, for vegans, swap this for vegetable seasoning cubes. I cook the peas for 5 minutes or until they are cooked to my liking. Once cooked, I taste for salt and seasoning and adjust salt to taste as needed. Please note that I didn't add any more salt, but feel free to add more if needed. I now add the fried potatoes and carrots and mix to combine. Once everything comes together, I serve this warm with bread rolls, kisra or rice. We had it with rice and it was so tasty. I hope you try it out and enjoy it as much as we do. If this is the sort of content you would like to follow and are yet to subscribe, consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell so that you're alerted every time I post a new recipe. On this channel, we prepare simple meals with the simplest ingredients. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.